Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. Here I will be showing you a beautiful park nearby. Here in West Auckland, one of the richest or from middle to high-end subdivision here in West Auckland. That's a pukeko bird. I already featured that from my previous video. This beautiful man-made lake is inside Lake Panorama. Tara, sama po kayo sa amin. Please come with me. Some of these trees and ferns are endemic to New Zealand. It means it can only be found here in New Zealand. Someone made this for kids. Ito naman po yung dakta ng fern. And yes, there are a lot of houses here around Lake Panorama because Lake Panorama is actually the subdivision's name. They're lucky to have a park inside their subdivision where they can go around, walk around, jog, and meet some friends. And some are having fun feeding the ducks and the birds. And these tall trees are here ages ago. So full of greeneries, aren't they beautiful? Samahan nyo lang po ako sa paglalakad dito para na rin kayong nandito kasama namin. We've been looking for a land here since around 2010 and to 2012. And the prices of the land here for a lot section that is an average of 500 square meter is around $275,000. Not anymore because a lot here can cost now from $500,000 to $1 million. It depends on the location. Imagine yourself with this beautiful nature and the sound of the birds chirping. And don't worry, it is safe here. Marami pong tao ang naglalakad at nagja-jogging din dito. So marami din naman kayong makakasalubong at mga pamilya, may mga bata din. And don't worry, here in New Zealand, there is no wild animals around like in another country. There is no snakes, nor crocodiles or whatsoever, no tiger, no lions here in the bushes. So, okay lang po maglakad-lakad kahit matulog pa kayo dito. Yun nga lang, makakatabi nyo yung mga lizard kung okay lang sa inyo. They really beautify this place. Really nice landscaping, isn't it? We came from that other side of the bridge. Umikot lang po tayo. Ang sarap pong magmuni-muni dito, di ba po? Kahit naka-lockdown, okay lang. Basta may nature na nakikita at hindi maboboring. Ayan, lumanding na po sila.
Where's the white one?
Basa-basa lang po pag may time. Even different types of birds here are friends. And they're not even afraid of humans because they get some of the foods from them. Pauwi na po kami. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like this video. The more, the merrier. Marami po sa inyo ang nakakalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. Please help me with it. Thank you.